Yeah, it got really high. I think something came undone. It looks like what?
Its butt has horns on it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's what that spider looks like?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're just getting ready to go on our road trip to HondaFest, all the way from Spokane. Got the turbo Honda all loaded up, slicks on, ready for racing. Going to meet my buddy Brian at his house. His new Civic build, and head out from there. Got like a 6-hour drive. It is currently 11:30. Hopefully we'll get there around 6, 7 o'clock. All the goods packed in. Alright, keep you updated as we go. Shaniqua.
Forgot Shaniqua.
Yeah.
Road trip snacks.
Yum yum.
Looking good,
Seattle, here we come. Didn't go in the back either. Got another body back there.
Say hello.
Still heading to Brian's house. Meeting up, then heading out. What are you doing?
So Bailey's coming too tomorrow? And
Yeah.
Chris, your sister's not coming?
No.
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 What's wrong? What? What's wrong? Oh.
Yeah, it got really high. I think something came undone.
Something undone?
Yep.
What's going on, honey?
Well, we're just at before we go down into Vantage, and the hose on the tranny cooler, popped. There's a little hole in it right there. You probably can't see it. And tranny fluid started going everywhere, so now we're on the side of the road waiting for Steve, Wayne, and Brian to bring more transmission fluid, because it got all over the truck and all over the trailer, as you can see.
I cleaned it up a bit.
So yeah, we're stuck here for probably 40 more minutes. Show them how wet it is. Hopefully it was just a hose, because there was a hole in the hose. Hopefully that's just excess that got all over everything. first sign that I noticed it. One of the belts was starting to barely squeal. I was like, that's kind of weird. And then I looked at my training temp and it was good, and then it started going up. So then I pulled off and it only reached 190, so hopefully it wasn't too low. It wasn't too hot, so. Yep. Good old rubber hoses. So I left that one extra long so it's not as tight of a turn. So hopefully that helps. Well, the boys helped us. They came and got us 3 gallons of it. We probably only needed about a gallon, but once we get to the top of Vantage, we're gonna check it again. That's where Brian is with his car still, so. Hopefully everything's all good. Maybe get a new hose when we get over there at Chris's house, just to have a spare. And yeah, hopefully no more issues. Let's get to Chris's and make it to racing tomorrow.
Yeah.
Look at the view. Oh, too late. She likes to show you guys a rock. But just wait, it'll get better here in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Felt like it.
It's pretty hot. I got that on a pink light.
You got what? You recording on a pink light?
Yeah.
So I'm supposed to say something now?
Yeah. How's
sure?
it going, honey?
Well, we finally just made it to Des Moines. Going to stay the night at my buddy's house. Wake up early and go racing. And then after we go racing, pack up and go back across the state. So it's going to be a long day again tomorrow, just like today was.
So.
But the truck is fixed.
So how long does this road trip normally take?
I don't know, 5 hours?
Okay, so 5-hour road trip. We left at about 1. Did we say 1 o'clock?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. We did stop and eat lunch at Ellensburg.
We did stop and eat lunch.
And we got gas at Cleelum. So take 30 minutes off of that maybe. So I'm still 7 hours behind, or 7 hours total-ish, 7.5.
No.
Long day.
Long day.
Glad we left early.
Yeah.
Shall see you guys bright and early in the morning, and probably got to wash the car. Good morning, everybody. It is 9:41, so we're running a little late, but we're on the way to Safeway to get some stuff for the cooler, drinks, snacks, lunch, and then we'll be at Pacific. Just hope the line isn't huge. See you there.
Bye-bye. That's one of the reasons why we're running late. That's what happens when you travel with ladies.
Rude.
Yes, ladies take forever. Well, something in the tranny broke. I don't know what it is. We'll have to check it out when we get home. Put it on the lift. See if there's a hole in it or something just split apart. I don't know. See what Tony thinks. Tony, what do you think it is?
What's broken?
Yeah,
Come
what's
on.
broken? Come on.
What's
I don't know.
broken?
What is
I
it?
I'm gonna say axle seal.
Broken? Yeah.
Yeah, he broke it. He split it. Rookie.
How you feeling, honey?
Tired. So we got 3 passes in. First one was like a 13 something with a little bit of bog in first, and then second, third, and fourth I got out of boost, so it bogged a little bit going into shifts. And same with the second pass, pretty much. Third pass didn't bog off the line. Hit 1-2 really good. Hit 2-3 really good, and hit 3-4 really good. Passed the guy I was racing, so that was good. And he even jumped and got a red light. And I got a 12.0 at 120, and it was, as you see, 95 degrees right now. So it was a hot one today. And now we're heading back on our 6-hour trip.
Great.
We put a new tranny cooler line on while we were at the track too. A little bit better line material. So hopefully everything stays good. We get home about 11 o'clock and go to bed and get up for work the next day. Not happy about that. All right, honey, what are we doing?
We're eating some good old-fashioned fast food in Moses Lake. Carl's Jr.
Car. Truck. Moses Lake Carl Jr. 85 degrees still, and it's 8:30. Car's probably still leaking. Hard to tell, but on the way home. Got about 2.5 hours left.